Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. And in this today's episode, we are going to talk about the soft delete versus the hard delete. And typically, if you see, whenever we delete as the user, we normally do not delete it from the database. And if we delete as an admin, it actually deletes from the database. That's the main difference between the soft delete and hard delete. And in this video, we are going to achieve that practices from our code base. So without any delay, let's get started with our code base. So let's open the VS Code and we have our block model.js, and in our block model we already have the boolean is deleted as the type boolean, and it is by default false. So whenever a block is created, its value of the is deleted is set as the false. So and then whenever the user a normal user delete from this controller, it normally sets the value is deleted as true, which is normally a soft delete by the user. Now from the admin side, if we do the hard delete, if you want to do hard delete, then we have to create a file. Let's do with blocks.admin.controller.js. Okay, and over here, so let me do like exports dot delete, no, admin delete blog. And if I do like this, let me key async. It accepts three parameters: request, response, and next. After that, we have to create a try catch block, and inside that, we have to do is all the same things we have done over here. So first of all, we have to take the ID, then we have to find the blog, if that is blog in the database or not. So let me just do the same thing, copy paste. Yeah, that's it, what we wanted. And since I am a super admin, I do not have to check if that is whether I am the owner of the database, I mean the blog, or not. So I do not, I just skip this one part. And I have to do is not the blog is deleted as true, I have to delete is completely. So I just do is await blog dot delete one. Yeah, absolutely fine. And after that, we have to send the response dot status, status be 200, and json be blog deleted permanently. Yeah, that's it we have to do in our admin delete block. And inside our catch error, we have to do is next new app error must be 500, and error dot it's okay, fine. And it should be enough in our admin side. And one more thing, in the block controller I have saw a flaw that whenever the user does the get all blocks, it simply returns all the blocks from the database. It doesn't check either the block is deleted or not. So in order to retrieve only the is deleted value false blocks, we have to do is block.find it's deleted as false. So it does the filtering that only the blocks which is not deleted by the users will be returned to the users. And that's what it's done. Yeah, that's it. And from the admin side, if we want to get all the blocks, then we have to do is exports dot admin get get all blocks. Let's do like that. Then I do simply do async request raise next. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Then over here inside the try-catch block, actually it's the same thing. Let me just copy and paste the thing. Okay, let me just copy this one, paste over here, and inside that we have to remove this one part. So the admin should receive all the blocks from the database, either that is deleted or not or whatever, and that's what the admin has its access. Yeah, that's it. And let's create the root for our blog, admin blog. So let me just do like blocks.admin.root. Sorry, it's become comma roots.js. Okay, absolutely fine. So I have to do is const express equals to require express and const router equals to not that express let's do like express dot router, yeah, and then model dot exports equals to router. Okay, and over here router dot get, if you do like slash, then it should receive admin get all blocks, yeah, and router dot not dot uh, delete, yeah, router dot delete, and I send like this id, then admin delete all delete block, yeah, and over here I should pass the middleware. So I just use router dot use auth middleware is, yeah, auth middleware, and router dot use role middleware, and inside that it allows not the users, only the admin or the super admin. Okay, fine, that's it. What we have done over here is, yeah, delete block, get all blocks, and roots are also set for that. Then we have to simply do in the our server file. So here we say const admin, yeah, here should be some admin blog root equals to require dot slash, okay, root slash admin slash blog admins, yeah, and after that we have to do is app dot use, let me just create an API. So let me just do API slash admin slash logs. So if I do like that and saying the uh what is my, yeah, admin blog root, if I do like this, and inside the admin root I have to do is delete, yeah, I have to create the API good in a good way, and after that I think this should be enough. Let me just do this like user root, and just simply do user root over here also, yeah. I should be fine. So this also set, this also set, all set. Now let me just do the npm start. Let me just run that, and in the blog let me just do the login first. Let me log in as a client first, so I'm in client with a normal user. So we have our Jackie as the normal user. So let me send the this one part, and API slash auth slash login. It should be post type, and if I do send, I should get a token. I get a token. I copy that token, and inside that we do is paste that token. Okay, let me save that, And after that, let me just see what blocks I do have now. So let me see API slash blocks get, and I receive some blocks over here. Here are some blocks is deleted as false, false, false. Yeah, it's absolutely fine. And if I try to delete a block, let me see, take the ID. I guess which one is my one? I don't know. Let me see. I guess the last one should be the my one. Let me just copy and paste one. If I am not the owner of that blog, then it should normally reject me to blog that. I mean, delete that blog. So let me just see what's the API for that. Patch delete is only need the ID, so it doesn't need anything. So let me just send the request. Then I said, yeah, blog deleted successfully. And if I do like to get and yeah, get that blog. Okay, I should not get that blog, but it's still receiving the blog. It should be because of we haven't done the changes in our blog.id. So yeah, yeah. After finding the blog, I have to see if the blog dot is deleted equals to true. Then we have to return. Next, let me send 400 for now. Oh, sorry, new app error, and send 400 and blog deleted. Okay, if I do like this and see over there, then yeah, where request is send blog deleted. Okay, okay, and let me should has been deleted. Okay, if I do this right, and it should be fine over here. Okay, I'm delete. Okay. And also in the normal blocks, I should not receive any block. I should only receive two blocks. Yeah, it's deleted, and yeah, okay, absolutely fine. And now let me log in as the admin or the super admin. Let me just log in over here. Control C. After that, I have to log in like this. Let me remove the email, and I do is post type. It should be auth login, and I send a request. I get a token, and then simply copy that token, paste over the beer of auth, then save that. After that, we do like get API slash. Let me just see the root. What is the root? Admin slash blogs. Okay, so let me do is slash admin slash blogs and slash if I do send blog is not defined. Okay, okay. It's simply because we haven't defined where the blog should come from. Yeah, okay. Let me now save this one and send the request again. Then I should get the all blocks. Yeah, is deleted to also I'm getting the blog which is deleted as true, and also the blocks that is deleted as false. And then if I want to delete it permanently, then I should simply copy copy the blog id and send it over here and slash id, and not slash id, slash delete. Then I do like delete, and let me just copy the title and content. I have to post it again, so I am doing like that. And let me just send a request. Yeah, blog has been deleted successfully. Okay, fine. That's what we wanted. And one more thing, I have to do some changes over here. Is you should not be like this. It should be like success as true, and message should be like deleted permanently. Yeah, and after that, if you do a save like this, wait a minute, why I'm getting that error? Where's my cat's block? Okay. Okay. I was mistaken by some here. Okay, but it's fixed right now, and okay, absolutely fine. I hope that you understand the concept of the hard delete and the soft delete in this episode. And that's it for our today's episode. If you see this video is helpful, make sure to drop a comment. And until the next video, keep coding and always remember code your brain. Thank you. Bye bye.